Falcons have won 3 in a row. We have Coach Nash Racela, Sed Manzano, and Manu Anaco. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Third straight win yun na, and you're four now over on the standings. So, are you happy na sa kinalalagyan nyo right now? And ito, very crucial win to kasi next yung kalaban, UST ulit.
We should be happy no, kung nasaan kami. Only because hindi pa kami patay. No? So, buhay pa. Head above water. So, yun lang naman ang gusto mo. Diba? You just have to want to have a chance no, moving forward. So, today wasn't that nice. Buti na lang nakakuha kami ng panalo. No? We missed a lot of free throws. 16 of 25, 9 free throws out of the 9. Ang nagbintis ng 7, yung inimbitahan nyo dito. So before we came in sa room, we took free throws dun sa kabila. And that's something that our players need to understand really. Take everything seriously in practice. And this is one emphasis point that we have. No, yung free throws namin. And that's the only reason why we gave ourselves a chance against UST when we last played them, because we only missed 1 free throw. No, ngayon ang dami. So dapat mag-improve. No, dapat mag-improve kami. Because UE played, no, aside from our free throws, UE really played really well today. They were very deliberate. They knew what they were doing. They are due for a win. No? So makikita rin natin yan.
Thank you to Manu. You have 8 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, and 1 steal. So yun nga. Ano yung kailangan na improvement mo sa game pa? Siyempre, ikaw sa mga magiging future leaders ng Falcons. What can you say?
Siguro yung pagiging compose ko sa laro and yung pagkagampanan yung mga tasks na given by Coach Nash, and yun nga, yung ito improve yung mga mistakes like yung free throws na dapat free throw na nga, tapos sabay dapat na mimic na namin yun, and yun na mas gitan ba yung binigay na effort ngayon going to next game.
You said you have 11 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 blocks, 1 steal. So, being the leader, being the senior that you saw, ano yung ginagawa mo para i-motivate mo yung mga teammates mo, especially, yun nga, your team is still alive in the Final 4 race? Okay.
Yung sinasabi ko lang naman sa kanila na maging consistent kami kung paano talaga kami naglalaro as a team. Yun yung parati kong sinasabi sa kanila.